Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is another video. Of course, it is finally the first month of February, and I am so excited because not only is it my birthday month, but it is also Valentine's and also Black History Month. So of course, you guys know a lot of videos will be going out this month because there is a lot going on. So before I get into the video, I did want to tell you guys that today we are doing something special. I am collabing with another YouTuber. I will have her video up right here so you guys can make sure that you check it out. Today I'm going to be doing a anti-Valentine's Day look. I know that everyone is not into the classic Valentine's Day look, so I decided to do my spin on the anti-Valentine's Day look. If you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I will have all the information for her video right down below, and I will have an insert right here so you guys can make sure that you check that out, and make sure you check out her video and also subscribe to her channel if you're not already subscribed. I really like the way that her look came out. I decided to do my own spin, of course, on the anti-Valentine's Day look, and if you guys want to see my spin on the look, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so my face is like breaking out really bad. I have like a huge pimple right here on my forehead. I have some pimples on my cheeks and on my, like, everywhere. My face is just breaking out. I don't know why. I guess it's probably the change in my skincare routine. So I have a lot of breakouts going on right now. So please excuse, of course, the special guest right here. I think I'm gonna go in first with my brows because I am doing a smoky look and it will probably be a lot of fallout. I really want to minimize how much falls out on my face, so I'm going to do my eyes first, of course, and I'm going to start off with my brows and take my NYX Micro Brow pencil, and this is in the color Espresso, and I'm also going to go in on the tail end of my brows, and I'm going to take, for the tail end of my brows, I'm also going to go in with the Kiss Top Brow Pencil, and this is in the color Deep Dark Brown. Even though I am going to use two pencils, I'm not going to lie to you guys, the Top Brow Pencil is my favorite brow pencil, even though it's only like $2 or something like that. This is my all-time favorite brow pencil. I do love my NYX Brow Pencil, and I do love my Micro Brow Pencil from Maybelline. I really do love the Top Brow Pencil if you guys want a cheaper alternative. Now that my brows are done, and you guys already know, I'm going to go in with my NYX HD Concealer, and this is in the color Nutmeg. Since we're going to be using some smoky shadows, I decided to do the eyes first, and then I'm going to go on to my face last. So I think I'm not really sure what I want to do. I know I want to do something really smoky and really grungy, especially for an anti-Valentine's Day look. So I know I want to do something smoky, so I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Smoky Eyes palette. Thinking about building up my crease, so I'm definitely going to start with a dark burgundy color like this one right here. I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but I just hope that it is true to its color. But this is like a deep burgundy color, and I'm just going to take that into my crease. So next I'm going to go in, and I think I want to take my Morphe 35P palette, and this one right here. And this is the purple palette. And I want to go into a deep brown. So I think I'm going to take this one next to the black color, but I want to take a deep brown. I don't want to go black too quick. I want to build up to that intensity. So I'm going to take that dark brown right there with the same BH Cosmetics blending brush. So next I want to go in with a more dense and packed brush. It's going to take that black out of the 35P palette. And I'm going to focus it only on the outsides of, only on the outer V of my eye. So I am going to do a cut crease, and I am going to take that NYX concealer again and just put a good amount on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use a shadow brush from BH Cosmetics just to carve out where I want my crease to be. So to keep my eyes from creasing, I am going to keep my head down. And I'm going to take a shadow brush, and I'm going to go into that Smoky Eyes BH Cosmetics palette and take a bright pink and pack that on the blank area. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Next I'm going to go in, I'm going to take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, and this is in the color Perversion. And I'm just going to use that to smoke out the lower line. So next I'm going to go in, and I'm going to take a little bit of black liner and just wing out my liner. So now that the eyes are partially done, I'm going to go into the face now, and I'm going to go in with my Master Prime Primer from Maybelline, and this is the Blur and Smooth Primer. I really love this primer. Next I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is the Dewy Smooth in the color 360 Mocha. And I really love this because I do have dry skin, so it really hydrates and gives me a luminous look and feel to my skin. I am looking to try, you guys, some new complexion products. So if you guys know any good complexion products, make sure to comment down below and let me know. Okay guys, I don't know why it looks this intense on camera, but trust me, it does not look like that in person. So because I am running a little low on my second tube, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Fawn. And I'm just going to use the applicator from the NYX one and just go in there. Of course, while that gets tacky, I'm going to go ahead and put some lash glue on my lashes and let them dry. So now that that has gotten a little tacky, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques sponge and just blend it out. So next I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder and set all the areas that I conceal. Next I'm going to go in, I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match powder, and this is in the color Cocoa. Next I'm going to go into my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and this is in the color Medium to Dark, and I'm just going to take the contour color and contour my face. So next I'm going to go in, of course, but I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in the color Molten Gold. Go in, apply my lashes off camera, and then I'll be right back. So next I'm going to go back into that Morphe palette, and I'm just going to take that dark brown color that I put on the outside of my crease, and I'm just going to use that to smudge my bottom line. Next I'm going to go in with my Big Shot mascara, and I'm just going to use this to blend my lashes in with the falsies. And you guys already know I have to go in with my setting spray, and this is my Badescu Rosewater spray. And of course, while that sets, no anti-Valentine's Day look is complete without, of course, a black lip. And I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses Maracuja lipstick, and this is in the color Black Velvet. Okay guys, that's the final look. I hope you all really enjoyed it, and don't forget to make sure that you follow her video. It will be linked down below. So I had so much fun, and thank you for collabing with me.